Bro, ano ba yan?
Okay lang ba, Marco, kung pwede ko? It's my honor na kantahin ko yung kanta mo.
Yes.
Walang problema, nakakatuwa nga.
Gusto niyo yan. Introduce kita, June. Okay. Would like to give to you. He's a very, very good friend of mine. We've been friends for 200 years. Nung naka-school uniform pa ako, Kuya Marco, naka-school uniform din siya kasi nililigawan niya yung classmate ko. He's the kilabot of Caloocan City, ladies and gentlemen. Now in Perth, Mr. June Oronce.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Wow, kilabot.
Kilabot.
Here you go.
Kinig. Nakakabahan ka, no?
Thank you.
Oh. Bihira ako makanta niya, sa totoo lang. Sobrang taas niya ni. Pang-contest.
Parusa.
When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on.
Inuman mo na tayo.
Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on. Have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through.
Naku, naingit si Kuya Marco, parang sasabay. Parang gusto niya sumabay.
My love will see you through. When you reach for the star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every run you take. Don't be afraid to follow your needs, for my love will see you through.
Talaga namang
Galing.
Grabe ka, June Oronce. Tingnan mo, June.
Maraming salamat. Ay, Maono, sabi ko, thank you for letting me sing. Salamat sa Yung kanta mo, thank you.
Ayoko nang kantahin yan.
Parang pinahirapan mo lalo yung kanta, June. No?
Hindi, kaya-kaya niya eh. Napaka-wide ng range mo.
Oo, ang daming kinikilig, oh. Daming
Galing.
kinikilig, daming
Basahin mo
messages.
nga. Alina, basahin mo nga
Ah.
yung messages natin.
Yes,
para
sir.
Alina, di ba?
Yes, sir. Ang maraming message si Miss Lydia eh. Miss Lydia, God beloved po. Keep safe, brother Eddie. Tapos yung kanina, parang sabi niya, tuwan-tuwa siya kasi yung idol niya, yan si Miss Leia,
Si Marco.
Hermia Marquez.
Yeah.
No, Leia.
Oo.
Oh, si Miss Lydia, si Judeline, yung suki mo, Kuya Marco, Judeline Garcero ko mo.
Oo.
Yun. Tapos, eto, mga Maricel Tan. Hello.
Eh, that's from Sydney.
Reynaldo Padernilla.
Danilia.
Padernilla.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yan yung dating
Ah,
mga producer dito yan dati, yan ang mga producer, si Ray, yung mga old producer namin dito yan. Yan ang mga ika nga nagturo sa mga bagong producer dito paano ka magpo-produce ng show. Kaya they're all there, and also sabi nga ni Leia Herminia Marquez, okay right, nakaupo pa yan, sabi niya, nakaupo pa si June Oronce.
Oo,
At
galing.
O kahit nakatayo ako, ganun pa rin ang height ko eh.
Hindi ka kasi natutulog sa hapon nung bata pa
Hindi ba?
tayo.
Oo, di ba? Kaya nga, oo. Tsaka di ba sabi nila, pagka bagong taon daw, kailangan tatalong ka.
Tatalon,
Di ba?
oo.
Eh kaso natutulog na ako noon eh.
Parang
Hindi ka-
parang may
hindi siya makabangon.
Parang ano, parang...
Hindi, totoo.